Alrighty. Have chat right here. Let's see, is anyone in yet? Nobody's here. It's fine. So today I am looking for some data sets specifically to use for some analyses that I'm doing for my business. So I have this channel for like educational stuff and like Tickle and OpenSeas, but I also have my own business that I started recently. It's a data science, like a data analysis business, specifically for like HR, but it's a little bit broader than that. I also am doing things with anything where people are working together, basically. Anything with collaboration, and so that can be education or community stuff. So I'm just really looking for any data set where it says how much time people spent on things, and there's overlap. If I can find a data set like that and something to like compare it to, some interesting metrics, then I'll be good. Because I have one data set that I've been using, but it's very, very limited, and I need to have more. I need to have more proof of the pudding, basically, to share with people. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Where did my chat go? Hold on. Let's have the chat open on the other. It's just open on the other window here. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the chat. Let's see here. So this is sort of what I want, employees' performance for HR analytics, but I took a look at this and let's see here. What do we got? Employee ID, we have their department, okay, and region. Is there any overlap at all? Can I filter? Okay, I'll filter by region first, sort of sending, apply. Okay, so there's a few people that are in these. This is not going to work though, because this is just yeah, I don't think this gives any other information. Let's see, number of trainings, age, previous year rating, length of service. I don't think the data is right here. Ideally, I'd just have basically like an employee's list of the projects, or like group of time that they're a part of, like preferably projects. So groups of projects and how much time they spent. So like a consulting sort of situation is ideal. It's like really easy to use that. Or like with education, it'll be like classes. So it'd be like basically class registration. But that granularity of the data set, it's not in here because this is just department, and that doesn't really give me any meaningful information. That's like trying to look at this the network with like without glasses on, basically. So it's just all fuzzy. Won't really be able to get much from it. Let's take a look, see what else we got here. Fortnite statistics. I mean, this would be ideal, but I don't think it. Yeah, this just asks people individualistic questions, and I'm looking for something that's more of a network. Like, I know that I could probably, like, you know, do some like regression analysis and find correlations, but I'm looking for something more precise. Class maybe. I would have started doing this like a while back when I started the company, but like I was just focused on getting a lot of the official things like in order before I would dive deep into actually doing analysis. I mean, I had the one analysis done, so I was confident that I was getting somewhere with it, but not seeing anything here. I don't really know what to look for as far as search terms. So if you have any idea, and if you've done anything like this, then that'd be great. If you just drop that in the chat. Salary prediction? What's this? No, this is all just individualistic. I don't know. I'm looking for one more level of one more dimension, basically. If you just do just aggregate data about somebody, just individualistic data, I can't tell anything about the network from that. I was looking at attendance stuff earlier. I'm gonna skip down. Let's see here. College scorecard. Lots of stuff here. What's this? No, this won't be it. I need to have like breakdown by like class. Smart attendance data set. No. I've taken a look at some of these before, so. I looked at this one before already. Event attendance data set. This might be it, actually. Oh, simulated. Really? I mean, at the very least, this would at least, I mean, I could work with this data set. Because there's 200 events. And then there's 120,000 attendees. But this is a simulated data set. This is not going to help me. It might be I'm just going to download this because this might be a good one just to test out my abilities to handle 120,000 people. That's a huge amount. So I'm going to save that for later. Because it'd still be interesting to look at that. Let's see here. Let's rename that. On the other screen right now. Event attendance data set. New. Just saving that in there. New folder. Kaggle datasets. Okay. Alright, so we're not going to use this one because it's fictional. I need something that actually has data that I can compare against. School attendance by district. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Student dropout, more individualistic. This is just like machine learning, like samples, but I'm not doing machine learning. I'm gonna do basic, I'm gonna be doing my network analysis that I came up with, and then using the connectivity scores to like see if there's any correlation with certain metrics. Nashville Meetup Network, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Meta members. Meta groups. Okay, actually, I might be able to do something with this, but this isn't with time. There's nothing about time in here. This is just this is just members. And like, that's not really gonna give me that great of information, because if it's just about attendance, then if somebody's just more active online, then they'll show up centered in the network, and that's not really what I'm going for. No. Let's see here. Attendance sheet. No description. What even is this? This is hardly any data. Okay. Attendance sheet, dataset for university. Nope. Students, academic performance. Okay. Raised hands. Huh? No. Smash. Wait. I might be able to use Smash GG's tournament attendee information. I can totally do that. Oh man, I know who I need to get in contact with. Yo, hold on. I should have gone stream starting. Hold on, stand. Alrighty, I'm back. I just needed to pull up the my Discord chat here because I need to message somebody about something. I know somebody who organizes like Smash tournaments, and that would be an amazing case study. Because like tournaments in general, like that sort of structure, like people have an account and they have their history of what tournaments they've been to, and also you can get all the way down to the individual games. So you can have a tournament wide level and you can have a game specific level. And then you can see like you could compare it to you could check to see like how people did in the tournament based off of that. I bet there's a correlation. All right, I sent that message. I wonder if there's any other... Okay, let's see here. We do have names. How many members are there? How many do we have? Detail. I don't like this style here. Let's see here. Currency. We even have timestamps. So I do have time. I have time. I have the username. Tournament name. How many are there? Smash GG name. Okay. Oh wait. This only has... This only has the person that did the event. It's not gonna help me. It's not gonna help me. Wait, does it have players? Tournament attendance. Sit. Name. Yeah, it doesn't have anything else. They do have an API though. Okay. C smash GG. Okay, there's just that one. Super Smash Bros. What does this have? Tournament info. Sets. This might actually... This might actually be usable. Layers. So say who won? Yeah, winner ID. How many rows does this have? Oh wow, okay, we have... It's 2.6 gigabytes. All right. I might be doing an analysis of Smash Bros. Players and how they're connected through their tournaments. That'd be fun. That's a lower priority one. I want to focus on labor and education right now, because those things I think are more critical. Because if I can do things to help, if I can help like workplace culture and like education, I'd rather focus on those things than Smash Bros. Although Smash Bros is fun. I'm a Jigglypuff main. But anyways, side note. Oh boy. Rename Smash Bros. Dataset. Okay. Go back to attendance. I want to look at that. Let's see, I was here at the Smash G stuff. Bet strategy. What's this? No. Bank employees. Track attendance. That doesn't really give much information. College enrollment demographics. That's just institution-wise. That's too granular. Or too, yeah, let's see here. I thought I already looked at this one. Hold on. So you want to be Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg? I think I've seen the same data set. Yeah. It is really hard to find the specific type of data set that I want. Oh, wait, student attendance by week. Hold on. For individual course by week. Hold on. Course name. Does it have individual? No, this was so close. So close to what I needed. It says grouping, but I also need it to then show me who are the attendees. Because that's important. Marks with attendance. Usability 1.8. I mean, I'll take a look, but yeah, I know, it's terrible. This file is just called CSV. Factory workers' daily performance and attrition. Hold on. Synthetic data set. Hold on. I mean, this is what I'm talking about, but this is a synthetic data set. See if this even has the information that I would need to do my work. They have the employee ID, their name, their age, their sex, their shift, the team, their role, other employees who are immediate co-peers of the events. Hold on. What does this even say? Portion. Does this even... I don't even think this even helps. Column. Wait, hold on. I mean, it's synthetic, which doesn't help me. I'm confused by this data set. But it's artificial, so I don't want that. I want to actually... I don't want to just train a machine learning model. I want to actually do some research here. I'll look on a different website if I don't find anything here. The thing about research is when you're looking for data or you're looking for a paper or something, you don't really know what sort of search terms to look for. You don't really know the language. But I should filter usability score. Let's do 8 or higher. Apply. 96 datasets. Taylor concert tours. I already looked at that one. Grading on the students in the exam. I'm trying to learn a pattern of the performance of my students in their classes. Roll. What? What are they supposed to be? CT2. There is no metadata here. I already looked at that. What is this anyways? Contains data for each ball of the entire tournament. This is interesting. Ball by ball. Wait. Did multiple people hit the same one? What? Wait, what's ID? What does that even mean? IPL, the cricket revolution. I could go and just like, I could just be the next Moneyball person. Just do like sports analysis. I'm gonna download this one. Okay. Rename, that's a possibility to look at this data set here. That'd be interesting. See if maybe the player's intersection with other players had any bearing on their performance. So, and it's ball by ball, so I could even go like inning by inning. So like if you like batted in the same inning, that's like a project. Each inning is a project. Or I could just have the number of balls that you batted in that game. So the game could be the project, and instead of time, it could be balls. Because if you're just hitting by yourself the whole time, that'd be fascinating to see. But we'll move on from that. Because, again, I really want to find something for... ideally, if I had timesheet records, like that's what I want, timesheet records. But that is really hard to get, and I might have to pick something else to like prove the theory. I mean, I did use one timesheet data, one timesheet record for my case study that I posted on my other channel for my company, but. Oh, wait a minute. Gender pay gap. Hold on. I doubt it has what I need. Yep. Looks like it has all individualist. Oh my goodness. How many variables do you have? Why are there so many variables? What? What? This is so unnecessary. Other race dummy variable. Annual hours worked. Are you trying to do like machine learning to try to figure out why women aren't paid as much as men? It's like, just talk to a woman. Alright, let's see here. Man, nothing. Class attendance. Anything? Enrollment by grade. This is school by school. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for much more micro. Okay. Student study hours. Hold on. Oh boy. Hours, marks of the students. Yep. Wow. I wonder if this is even legit. It's just machine learning. Let's see if there's any other data set. Data set on probably project management. Project management data set. Data.world. Datasets for data science. See here, BigQuery public datasets. Nope. It's Kaggle, that's what I was using. UCI machine learning repository. Oh, come on. There we go. Dry beans. Labor relations, maybe. No. It's like nobody has what I want. I mean, I know where to get data for what I need. And that is internal timesheet records of corporations and for schools, they're like enrollment data. Like students and classes, but like they're not just posting that stuff. So it's like I'm like locked out. Let's see here. But you never know, I might get lucky, I might find something. Trains. University. Hold on. Maybe. Courses, students, and their interactions with the virtual learning environment for 7 selected courses and more than 30,000 students. Classification, regression, clustering. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see here. Courses. So that's what course looks like. Module presentation length. Code module, code presentation. Huh. Let's see what else they got here. Student info. Okay, you got all the way through GG. ID of the student. Let's see if there's multiple here. Could this be what I need? Okay, there's only one there. Check that one out. Nope. Any of them in multiple? Doesn't look like it so far. Oh, I do have some duplicates. What's the studied credits? Hold on. What is code module? Okay, it's presentation. I might be able to do something with this data set. I'm not sure. I'm just going to look at something else for now. It's just there's a lot of students, 30,000 students, 7 courses. And oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I'll take another look at that. More individualistic stuff. And like this says weekly study hours, but doesn't say anything about their connectivity. Breast cancer, flood event. What's this? Nope. Let's see. Search project. productivity prediction of garment employees. Hold on. Date, day of the week, quarter, department, team number, number of workers. Again, it just says team number and the number of workers, but that doesn't actually get down to the individual level, because the individuals matter. Online retail. Nope. Maybe if I do something with social media, or just go to network, just search network. Let's see here. Large page network. Verified Facebook sites. Yeah, no. Alright, I'm going to go back to the Kaggle and I'm just going to search the network. The Marvel Universe Social Network. Hello? Star Wars Social Network? Yo! It's a social network of Star Wars characters extracted from the movie scripts. Yo! Just nerding out, I guess. Let's check this out. Okay, it's all JSON files. I don't have anything to open up a JSON file right now, but I can just open it in a text editor. Star Wars Episode 1 interactions, all characters. Let's see what this looks like. What does the value mean? I mean, seems fun, but definitely not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something very, very specific. It's what people maybe don't even realize. Because my network analysis doesn't actually have anything to do with interaction. Just common association. Collaboration networks? Hold on. Hold on. Let's see here. Possible datasets. Super Smash Bros. Tournament. Attendance. And rankings. And then you have journal articles and publish, journal articles, collaboration, and publishing. Yeah, actually journal articles could be a really, really good one. I don't like this data set though, like the way it's formatted. I mean, maybe it's okay. Hold on. What does this even mean? I mean, it's already doing the nodes. I just want the raw data. What is this? I don't even know what does this even mean? Who put this data set together? What do these numbers mean? Okay. So academic journals. Academic publishing. I would need like a data set with papers. So papers instead of projects. Papers instead of projects. And then I would just assume constant time for paper. And then collaborators like authors. So really all I would need is for a journal, I would just have a list of their papers and the authors. That's it. Preferably get more and more journals. I might be able to get that. Hold on. Datasets are just List of papers and authors. Nature. Let's see, nature. Consciousness, seriously. Oh, this is fun. And then systems that are more interconnected or integrated have higher levels of consciousness. Yeah! That's what I'm trying to do. Raise the level of consciousness of people. People are focusing on how neurons are involved in consciousness. It's like, what are you doing? Like, focus on connecting with other people. Like, focus on like the more macro. Like, you're going way too micro with it. It's like we're going either way too micro or way too macro, and we're not focusing on right in between. Let's see here. View all journals. Oh boy. Database on academic papers and authors. I just literally need a CSV file with the paper name or like a paper ID and author, and then like information about the author. That's literally all I need. I don't even know if anyone has this database. Maybe I'll have to reach out to like a journal and ask if I can get like a CSV or something. I remember when I was first doing research, when I was first doing research for my master's degree, I was like, yeah, I was doing something like this. I was compiling a list of all these papers for my research, and then I was seeing which authors were in common. Hold on. Okay, here. So, like, if I go here, can I get something? Tools. Let's see, Zotero, export. What would this export to? Export library. Export to BibLaTeX. Okay. I'm not going to use this. I want to find something that's more general, like maybe Google Scholar. Oh boy. This goes based off of citations as well. The problem is, if you base rankings off of citations, well, then that forms a feedback loop where now you're going to more likely to cite a paper from a journal that is more cited. Not necessarily because it's quality. And it's the same problem you have with individualistic performance metrics, is that people start to like, it becomes like a self-fulfilling prophecy, essentially. So if the ranking was based off of some connectivity with the authors, that like authors that are more connected and more collaborative would and like if a journal had more papers that were more collaborative and the total collaboration was higher. Because like there might be another journal where you just have some random person who's completely disconnected from the rest of the academic network post a paper there because they can, and they'll just pay them to publish it for them, and that won't reflect well. But if someone's just like not really expanding their network and not working with people and not doing any interdisciplinary work, then that'll show as well. Yeah, I think academia is definitely a place that I could go with this. I'm just trying to find the right entry point. What do we got here? I need it all the way down to the paper level. Database of all papers from published from Harvard. Sure, why not? I'll use that. Let's see here. I I might literally just need to oh my you could do it with books. I could do it with a library. I could get an entire library catalog. Oh my god. I could do library. The projects could be books. And you could see how I gotta get in contact with my local library. Okay. Library book suggestions. Library book suggestions. You have your library card. And you check out books. And you have those books for... I mean, the amount of time doesn't really matter because it's whether you read through it or not. But it's just checking out the books. And then you'd be connected to other people who checked out those books. And so then, if you also checked out, like, it could recommend you other books based off of other people that have also checked out the books that you've checked out. And you could use checkout time, the amount of time. The longer someone has a book, the more time they can sit through it. But then again, might also be that they just forgot, so. Maybe there's a data set out there for it. Library book checkouts. Library. Let's search library. What's this? That is all in Russia. In Russian. I mean, well, I got English over here. Okay. Recommender systems. That's what I'm looking for. Hold on. $160,000 users. Apply. Oh boy. Haha! Wait, is this a real data set? It has reading progress as a percentage. How would they be able to know that information? Is this a real data set? Oh, this is ebooks. Yes. Yes, this would work. This would work. This would work. I have user ID, item ID, and progress, which can be used as the time. You have missing values, and this doesn't really matter as much. And start date. We have a start. And then users. Age. Gender. Which doesn't mean a whole lot. I don't really care about that too much, but items. This is all in Russian. Year publication, none of that really matters, but yes, 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 this is good, this is good. 1.5 million user book interactions, 150,000 users, 60,000 books. Yes. Yes, yes, this will work. It should work. It's a huge data set, and I'm gonna need to do some work on my code to the code I have right now is probably going to grind to a halt with 150,000 users. I'm gonna have to like parallelize it or something. But that's okay. This is a huge data set, and then I'd be able to find out I'd be able to have each person be recommended a book. Wow. If I could turn this into a book recommendation software. Basically, if you had some books in common with someone else, and then they had books in common with someone else, then you would be encouraged to then read those books as well. But to an extent, but to a specific extent, and so it would. Okay. I'm just getting excited here. Book recommendation software or dataset. Let's go. Where is it? Okay. That could be a really, really good way for me to get an entrance. It's a huge data set. Is there a smaller data set? Art Garfunkel's library. Love it. Museums, aquariums, and zoos. Nope. What's this here? Nope. Yeah, if I were to compute the if I were to compute that interaction matrix, how big would that be? It'd be 150,000 times 150,000. My computer would not even be able to handle that. Just the number of I would have to restructure it to be sparse. Right now it's not sparse. Right now it's a full matrix. I'm just kind of like doing a raw analysis basically. So I think I shouldn't start by going with that data set. I want to get something smaller. Because like my analysis and my code is not quite scalable yet. It can be scaled. I know it can be scaled, but it's not scalable yet. Let's see here. Digital library. Oh, hold on. 152 megabytes. It's all JSON. Catalog of papers scraped from the digital. Okay. Yep. There's another one I'm going to grab. This is on a author interaction. Let's see. Digital library, author, data. So we're going to save that one too. This is a potential one. Don't know what. I need to have like something to I need to have something to compare my connection metrics to. I need to have some other metric of interest, and I don't think there's anything here. Let's see, what is this anyways? Am I even live? Yeah, I am live. Okay. I am going to need to make my code scalable for sure. Oh, book recommendation. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. The Netflix prize, hold on. The Netflix prize. Okay. Oh boy. Hello. This looks a little bit similar to my math. You're summing the... This is very similar to what I'm doing. I mean, you have a dot product over the cross between the... Scalability. Yeah. Scalability problems. I feel that so what you can do is, at least on a first order analysis, you could do a first order analysis and let's see here. You'd be like, okay, do you recommend like this book? And then you find out everyone who, ooh, yeah, there's a huge scalability problem to it. Yeah. Three-dimensional tensor structure by exploration or recommendation. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. But with time, user item matrix is a basic foundation of traditional collaborative filtering techniques. It suffers from data sparsity problem, cold start. Okay. Okay, so collaborative filtering. What is this? Oh, do I not found? So the nice thing about Wikipedia is that it's kind of a too long didn't read, you can get some information, and then you can go down to the bottom and find some papers. the information, a history, a theory, a flood. What's this? Oh. Huh. Maybe I'll get this one. Hold on. Ambitious, illuminated, and sexually theoretical. Entropy. Yep, let's see here. Yeah. Entanglement, yep. Okay, let's see. Even this person's doing a throwback to the Bible and Prometheus. I'm just doing some research right now, and I think I might pick up this book. I don't know. Seems a little bit too theoretical, but well, just too wordy, I guess. Too esoteric. Just talking about the theory of information. I'll add it to my list. Beyond recommender systems, helping people help each other. Helping people form communities of interest while respecting personal privacy. That's what I'm about. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay. Ooh. I have got to switch my, hold on. I do not like being live and having things pop up that I don't want popped up. So I am going to switch that over. Even though no one's on right now, but still. Okay. Let's do second one here. Okay. Can I get this data set? Ha 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 ha. Oh no. Can I find this data set? There was a class action lawsuit. I don't think I can find this data set anymore. Netflix prize data set. Hold on. The fact that they still have this. Can I use this legally? Netflix prize data set legal. Can I use the Netflix prize dataset? Well, if I could predict if my model could be better than the existing one, that'd be pretty cool. Netflix prize dataset. So let's see here. Search this. Oh, 18. Here's the late nights and heavy collaboration team led by AT&T research engineers had won the $1 million Netflix prize for devising the best way to improve the company's movie recommendation algorithm, which generates an average of 30 billion predictions per day by 10% or more. Wow. Mm-hmm. I wonder if I could do better. The data set is everything I need. I got movie IDs. I got customer IDs. And there's less movies than users. I'm still in the hundreds of thousands range. So like I'd have to scale up my software. And I have dates, so then you can also, and ratings. So I could use the ratings instead of time, because they're all in movies, so it's going to be like the same amount of time, but then I can, people who have a 5-star rating are more likely to have spent more time on the movie or watched it multiple times, and 1-star rating is likely that they started watching and they hated it. So, and 3-star, maybe they watched it only one time. So like that'd be kind of a surrogate like time metric. I mean, even a 1-star rating, they like started watching it, so like there was like at least something there. Versus no stars is 0 interest. I wonder if I'm trying to think of how I could do this. You just take a user, and you find out all the movies that they watch, and then for each of those movies, you would just find out all the people that watched those, and then do one more step of all those movies. And then from that, compute the network for that person. And then it would be recommending any of the movies in that circle. And then it would rank those movies in respect to, yep, it would be completely distributed. Okay. Let's see, we are going to try doing the Netflix recommendation algorithm. Not tonight, but it's getting late. I gotta get up tomorrow. Netflix prize recommendation algorithm. I mean, if I came up with a better Netflix prize recommendation algorithm that like accurately predicted well, they wouldn't be able to accurately predict all of the ratings. It would only be able to do it as far as that person's connected. Like once you watch one movie, then it would open up more. I'll think about it. I don't know. I don't know if I'll do it. It's a big data set. I want to find something a little bit easier. And I don't want to do something I want to do something that means something. I'm on the wrong screen here. All right. I think that's enough for tonight. I just wanted to get on there and I wanted to get back to streaming a little bit. I'm trying to get more comfortable with being in front of a camera and yeah. Anyways, if you tuned in, I don't know if anyone's here right now. Looks like nobody's here right now. And like nobody popped in, so I'm just gonna end stream.